Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Unreal Engine tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the pivot of a mesh in Unreal Engine. This is actually quite simple. To do this we first go into Unreal Engine and here I have a door mesh with a wrong pivot. As we can see, rotating the door is really weird because the pivot should be here on the right. To change the pivot we go from selection mode to modeling and switch from whatever is selected to X form and go to edit pivot. Now we go a little bit closer to see that we can change the pivot to the right location, and as we can see this is actually fine. And now I click on accept and the pivot is on the right location. When I now rotate the door we can see that this works as intended. If you are done you can switch from modeling mode to selection again and work on your project. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.